United Nations Secretary-General António Guterres has delivered a stark warning to the world. In his final annual address to the General Assembly on January 14, 2026, he summed up the global moment in 3 words: the context is chaos. From Gaza to Ukraine, Sudan to Yemen, Guterres linked today's wars to deeper systemic failures. Attacks on civilians and aid workers, suppression of dissent, unconstitutional power grabs, and the erosion of international law are no longer hidden. They are unfolding in real time, broadcast globally, with impunity intact. Ceasefires, he warned, are not enough. Peace is more than the absence of war. Sustainable peace requires development, justice, and confronting inequality. Today, the richest 1% control 43% of global financial assets, a reality Guterres called morally indefensible. As climate breakdown accelerates and humanitarian funding collapses, multilateralism faces its greatest test. Yet Guterres insists surrender is not an option. Defend the UN Charter. Pursue peace with justice. Reject bystander silence.